Hey everybody, so Wall Street opened just about 3 minutes ago, and we're looking at the gold chart, XAU USD, 15-minute time frame. And during the Asian session, gold moved up and took out the previous day high from yesterday, and then even went on up a little bit higher to 5022. That was our high for the day. So gold was looking bullish, and then London opened, and London took the price right back down. So what is the New York session going to do? Are we going to go to higher prices or lower prices? It looks like we're going to go to lower prices, and it might be the idea that New York will push the price down and take out the Asia low over the next half hour or so. We'll just see what happens. We did have a little bit of news on the forexfactory.com, and that is the unemployment claims that came out. That was for the U.S. economy. That was 1 hour before Wall Street opened, and it was better, better than projected, better than forecast. They forecast 223K, and it came out better than that. There were fewer claims, fewer unemployment claims, 206K. And so that's good for the U.S. economy, and that puts pressure on gold to go to lower prices. But oftentimes you can see that the high impact news like that will be a knee jerk reaction. And then after the news is done and dusted, within 1 hour or so, then it will be back to what it was doing before the news came out. So at this time, I don't take any trade just yet. I'm just looking to see what the direction is going to be. We don't have any clear indication yet. Getting a little bit of a rejection at the near the Asia low, and our low so far on this first candle was what is that, 49, 42. Uh, but it's always quite volatile the first few minutes when Wall Street opens, and that's what we're seeing now. Just have a look at the 1 minute chart. And we had that rejection here at 49.62. That was very near the Asian low, very near the Asian low for the day. So it looks like we might start going up to higher prices. Go back to the 15-minute chart. And I believe I will just take a small trade. And let me go back and look at the 1 minute chart. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I just went long based on what I'm seeing on the 1 minute chart. That we got that rejection there, and you can see it also on the 15-minute chart. We got this rejection here, so it looks like we might go up to higher prices. So I'll just put my stop loss below that wick, which would be at 49, put it at 49.61 for my stop loss. And put my take profit up there at about 5010. That might be a little bit far away for the take profit. Okay, that's all done. So I just went long with this clear rejection from the Asian low that we have right now. And let me go over here and post in my Telegram group that I have gone live. So I'll get a few more people to join in. If I can find my, there they are. Where is that one? There we go. Okay, now looking really good. So let's see where I put my, where did I enter that trade on? 49.79, and it was a long position. 49.78 right there, right about there, 49.79. Okay, and my stop loss is at 49.61, I believe. 49.79, just below that. No, stop loss 49.61. You put it right there, and my take profit was 5,010 right there. So that gives me about almost a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. It might even run a little bit higher because we have been up to 5022 today. I want to go over and check my MT5 and see what I'm looking at for in the way of a. Okay, well, that's pretty big. Okay, my stop loss 49, 49.79, 25. Now it's coming back down. Okay, all looks good. All we do have to do is just sit on our hands and wait now. Oh, I think I lost my screen there. Go back to share the screen. We'll look at the, there we are. Now we're good again. Don't know what happened. That disappeared. Sorry about that. At least you can see me, I think. Sometimes that happens when I'm switching from screen to screen. Yeah, it's 13 minutes that Wall Street has been open. and they made a little bit of a move. Looks like they want to go to higher prices, but we don't know just yet. Time will tell. This is the hardest part of trading is waiting, sitting on our hands, just waiting and trusting our strategy. When you get a big wick like that, it's usually quite obvious that you will see a reversal. And now we might go up back up to higher price. I mean, we are going to higher prices, and it looks like we might take out the previous day high from yesterday. That's the yellow line here, and that's where I put my take profit. I believe 5,010. Yes. So just the first 15-minute candle is looking very good. And we definitely have bullish momentum. I'll go ahead and move my stop loss up above break even now. So this will be definitely will not be a losing trade. Impossible to lose. Uh, okay. Now the second 15-minute candle starts. This is a quarter before the hour. For me in Southeast Asia, Wall Street opens at 9:30 p.m. Indochina time. That's in Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam, Thailand, and then in the U.S., of course, it opens at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Sometimes I like to put my EMA on there. Do I have it on there? No, I don't have that. Don't have the EMA on this chart. So I'll just share my 1-minute chart again. Looking for the 8 EMA. Didn't find it, but I do have it on the 1-minute chart. If you can hear me okay and the sound's okay, just give me a +1. I would appreciate that. I think the sound should be good. And my chart just appeared. Let me see if I can get that showing again. I don't know why I'm having trouble jumping between the charts. And it's still not coming up. You can't see my 1-minute chart. Okay, I'll just stop sharing and start sharing again. Give me 1 second. Sorry about this, guys. And I'm going to show you my 1-minute chart. Okay, there we go. Now it's looking better. What was that? Oh man, you're joking. Why it won't stay on there, I don't know. Okay. It doesn't want to let me show you my 1 minute chart. There, sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Oh God. Anyway, we're making good progress on this trade. I just took partial profit on that trade. It's made good progress, good profit. So I just took partial profit on that one, and we'll let the rest run. Let the profit run. Oh, good. Oh, so that's still showing. I was just looking down at my trade. It's still doing live. I take the trades on the, then switching between the streaming software and MT4 or MT5. I had a couple of good trades this morning in the late in the Asian Pacific market. I took the trade over here just before noon in Southeast Asia. I took the trade here and then rode it up. Not quite all the way. I got out at about 5,000 because 5,000 is a resistance zone, psychological resistance zone. So I got a little bit early on that. I could have let it run, but I just see that it was hesitating here around the 5,000 zone, so I closed the trade there. But I had two good profitable trades on that one. That was late in the Asian market before the Asian Pacific market closed. And once the Asian market closed, the London opened and it started to come down, and now we're starting to see it move back up slowly, slowly. It's not really taking the elevator up, but it is moving up. Mm. Oh man, that would have been wow, that would have been great. Oh man. Mm. Okay, if you feel like to message me and you want to have any inquiries or questions, you can reach me on Telegram. That is my main messaging service, and my ID is at RickRayFX. And if you want, I'll add you to my Telegram group of traders where I post the news and videos and we chat with each other. It's not got a whole lot of people in it. It's not crazy. It doesn't pop up all the time, but it is a good little uh, chat group for traders from all around the world. You might find somebody in there from where you live. Program me at Rick Ray. And of course, if you're watching this and you're new and you want to find out more about trading, go to my website, and that's rickrayfx.com. All right, I'm going to shut it down for now. I've made the trade that I wanted to make with the opening of Wall Street. I hope that you have a couple of good trades wherever you are in the world. Enjoy the rest of your New York session. And just remember, I will be here tomorrow for the Asian session. That's 8 a.m. Indo-China time or 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for Friday. Oh, tomorrow's Friday, TGIF. I'm here every day, Monday to Friday, for the opening of the Asian market. So if you've been watching this, don't forget to like and share, and join me anytime you want to live trading for gold. Thanks again, and I'll see you again next